Hello to you, and you. Welcome back to the channel. I am your budget boss, and today we are going to talk about some ways to start teaching the little ones about budgeting. Yes, it's a critical thing to ensure that our little ones, our children, are financially literate. So starting to teach them about budgeting can be very, very fun and enriching for you and for the little ones. So first up, our first tip is to play store. Play store. I used to play store when I was little, so it's a real thing. But playing store can be so rewarding because you can just go around the house and pick up little items and set up like what you would consider a register. Back in the day, we used to use the telephone because it was, we're not going to talk about it. But anyway, just use your phone, your calculator on your phone, set up a store with all the little toys or anything around the house, put sticky notes with the prices on them, and have them act like they're going to the store so they can start to role play what it's like to have money, to spend money, and to make good buying decisions. Number 2 is to sit down with your children, with your child, and help them create a kiddie budget based on all the things that mean the world to them, their toys or their device, whatever that might be. Help them sit down and come up with their own little budget based on things that are important in their little world. Next, assign them an area on the family budget. Assign them something to be responsible for helping to reduce or helping to manage in some kind of way on the family budget, and see how they do. Give them some roles and some responsibilities with that area. For example, if you say you're responsible for the electric bill, and with that, help everybody to turn off the lights when they leave the room, to try to conserve energy as much as possible, and give them that responsibility to help manage that area of the budget. Next, allowances and chores. Yes, get them to work, right? By assigning some chores and giving them an allotment of money or funds every week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever that might be, will help to start to give them a sense of pride in what they do and responsibility, start to build work ethic, and then also help them to start to understand you do this and you get that time is worth money. So starting to instill those values into them as well. Next, we have meal planning and grocery shopping. So planning out a family menu of meal plans for a week, a month, whatever it might be, and getting them to plan out what all the ingredients are going to be, how much they might cost, and then actually going to the grocery store and allowing them to see how it is to take it from that planning step to actually going and getting those things and being a good shopper, a good budgeter while you're at the store and getting all the items that they need for the meal, right? So it's a fun way to get them engaged, and a fun way to carry it through from just sitting down talking about it to actually action and doing something by going to the grocery store. And lastly, save for a purpose. Find something that they can save up for and help them to start to understand what it means to put something to the side and have that self-control. They get some money or they get an allowance, or they're able to take a portion of that and put it to the side because they have goals, they have dreams, they have things that they're working towards. That is an excellent way to help nurturing the discipline of savings as well. So those are our tips for starting to talk to your children about budgeting, and some fun ways to start to incorporate it in your daily routine by having them to be a part of the process. I hope that was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. See you later.